we are going to have a little fun with the chickens, so let's go let the girls out. So we have five hens and one rooster. The first thing they do is go to the bird feeder and eat all the bird seed that's fallen on the ground, and they love it. See if I can name them. So the white one is Dolly, and that's Roosty, and Lily, and Daisy, and Winnie. So I'm going to walk down to the garden while the chickens play and roam and see what we have in the garden. We may be able to pick us some things. So here we go. Okay, we're off to the garden. Got my little basket here in case we get us some goodies. It's pretty nice out. Feels pretty good out here right now. Got some shade trees, got a little shade going on. Coming up to the garden, we've got some fruit trees here, and here we are at the garden. Let's go in. Banana peppers, and look at that one right there. Wow, it's a pretty good one, pretty good size. A garden spider, and I don't know if y'all can see, but he's actually very pretty. He's unfortunately got a butterfly, but I guess that's The chickens play and get all their scratch time in. I'm going to walk down to the mailbox. And I've got the leaves crunching under my feet as fall is upon us. So let me see if I can figure out where the mailbox is. Do I know where the mailbox is? Here we go. Aha! I finally made my way back to the entrance here. So we are at the gate and they are way off the road so they don't have to hear any of the noise. Although this is a county road that they are on. Okay, so we're taking a stroll back. We gotta get back up here. I gotta get back up here. Do I have a mouse in my pocket? I gotta get back up here and check on the chickens. See how the ladies are doing. Okay. Oh, we're back to the chickens. We gotta find them. Where is everybody? Gather them up, Roosty. You gotta gather them chickens up. Let's check to see if we have any eggs. Because as part of my chicken duty, I get to take any eggs I find. So let's see. Ooh, looks like we got some eggs. Okay, I'm gonna feed the girls some bread, some homemade bread that I made, and the girls love some bread. Come on, girls. Come on, here we go. Come get you some bread. Yeah. Girls love bread. Say not, girl.